How to apply makeup. Cosmetics have long been used by humans of every race, culture, and age to enhance their appearance. Some people have used makeup as a camouflage, a form of self-expression, a cultural or traditional ritual, a morale booster, and many other purposes. Makeup for its own sake is fun and enjoyable. And if you'd like to find out how to apply makeup, here are a few pointers. Much of what's intimidating about using makeup is the vast array of products available, the conflicting hard sell pitches of cosmetic companies, and the fear of looking so far from your natural self that people must think you want to be something you're not. But the greatest of reasons that keep people back from actually giving it a try is just plain ignorance. It's hard to embrace something you do not know. Fortunately, ignorance is easily remedied. When starting, it is best to practice using almost nude or natural looking colors. You have less chance of making glaring mistakes. The overall result will be subtle, and if done right, people close to you, okay, mostly the men, as women are more savvy, will notice that you look nicer but may only recognize that you're wearing lipstick. Start with the basics here. 1. Know your face isn't that obvious. But some people look at the mirror daily, even several times a day, but only see one feature, and this is usually the feature he or she hates. Well, your face is an entire landscape, and a natural landscape is always beautiful, but can be improved by care and nurturing. Know your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, normal, or combination. Do you have acne or scars? What is your best feature? Your eyes, your nose, your cheekbones, your lips. What shape is your face? What color is your skin tone? What needs emphasizing? All these will help you make important decisions about products to use and method of application. As we said before, ignorance is easy to cure by finding out as much as you can. 2. Art always requires a suitable canvas for makeup. This canvas is the face. Just as canvas must be primed, so you need to prepare your face to absorb the makeup and not melt, vanish, or fade with sweat and the normal environment that your skin is exposed to. The preparation of the face starts with concealer to hide blemishes, uneven tone, and dark under eyes. Your concealer to hide blemishes, uneven tone, and dark under eyes. Your concealer must be a shade lighter than your foundation. Lightly pat the concealer over the spots you want to cover and blend well. You don't want to look like a Dalmatian, so carefully put the concealer on. 3. Next, apply foundation. The most important considerations for foundation are skin type and color. Find one that's closest to your skin tone and suitable for your skin type. There's foundation for every skin tone, ethnicity, and price range out there. It also comes in various type of applications such as cream, powder, liquid, etc. If you know your skin type and your budget, your options will be greatly narrowed down. For a beginner, you can apply foundation with your finger, as this will give you the greatest control. Use your middle finger to dab little spots on your forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and neck, and then spread and blend well. Ensure full coverage and see that there is no visible line or edge where the foundation and your unmade-up skin meet. If your foundation is close to your skin tone and you apply it smoothly, spread and blend it well, the result is a natural, even-colored finish. You will not end up looking like a kabuki. If you look like you put on a mask, for goodness sake wipe it off and start again. You'll get the hang of it eventually. 4. Pat pressed powder on all areas of your face and neck, over the foundation, to set your foundation and concealer. This will lessen the chances of your foundation melting away in the heat. Also, throughout the day you can eliminate shine by patting on more powder or by using blotting tissues that absorb face oil without adding or layers to your makeup. 5. To add an apostrophe anchor to your face, define your eyebrows next. Make sure your eyebrows are neat and trimmed if necessary. Eyebrows may be professionally waxed, tweezed, threaded, or other such grooming techniques. Whatever method you use, or if you prefer your brows to go untouched, Just be sure it looks neat. Lightly draw hair-like lines in the direction of hair growth, especially on sparse spots. Never one straight line using a sharp eyebrow pencil. You may use either brown or black depending upon the effect you want to achieve. But again, as with foundation, blend well in with a light hand using a slanted brush. The effect should be a smooth eyebrow shape, not hard-edged and obviously drawn. 6. Then it's time for eyeshadow, which can really be fun as you can achieve many effects and moods just by changing the color and application style. The easiest way is to start with a monochromatic scheme of one color in 3 shades: light, medium, and dark. Using a brush, apply the light color under your eyebrows to the crease, the medium shade from the crease down to your lash line, and with the dark apply a thin line just on top of the lash line. When you've mastered this application, you can learn other application styles by viewing other video tutorials online. 7. Now for the eyeliner. For beginners, eyeliner pencils are the easiest to learn and apply. The pencil should be the kind that is soft and gives vivid color. Always make sure your pencils are sharp. Pencils that are worn down to the wood won't give color, stretch the delicate skin around the eyes, and needless to say, are painful. Never stretch the skin of the eyes, this will eventually cause wrinkles. Practice applying eyeliner without stretching until you get used to it. All takes is practice. Draw a thin line as close to the lashes as possible from inside your eyes, 1/3 into the middle. Then from this point 2/3 across the top, then continue to the outer corner. 8. Break out the wand. The mascara wand. You may use an eyelash curler first, but this is punishing on the lashes and may be painful. If your eyelashes can do without, better not stress it. Make sure the mascara wand is not thickly covered with the mascara so that it won't clump on your eyelashes. Better apply several times in thin layers than do it all in one go and have it clumping and dirtying your eye area too. Apply mascara on the upper lashes. Hold the wand horizontally and brush it from the bottom to top. Then hold the brush diagonally with the handle close to your ears and the tip on the outer lashes, and brush the upper corner lashes sideways going up. For the lower lashes, hold the tip vertically near the lashes and brush from top to bottom. Let dry for a few seconds and reapply. 9. For the blush, lightly brush across the apple of your cheeks or below. Make sure it looks like you're actually just blushing. That's why it's called blush and not like you've been slapped hard on the face. The technique is to dab the brush on the powder and brush it thin layers across the cheek, several times, rather than piling it on thickly and blending it in afterward. 10. Line your lips with lip liner that's close in shade to the lipstick color you're using. Put lipstick on. Blot it on tissue, then apply a second coat. This should help the lipstick stay in place, and voila, you're done. This may seem like too much trouble and too lengthy an undertaking to attempt, but the hard part is simply learning and practicing. How to apply makeup. As you practice more and become more confident with practice, you can get your routine down to 10 minutes flat. It's not hard and the results are amazing. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about how to apply makeup.